we're going to make some pistachio butter, and after that, on the next video after this video, we're going to make pistachios butter cookies. Alright, hang on 1 second. Start turning the peanut butter. Look at the bottom of that where it's right there now. The pistachio is turning into butter. Look at that inside there so far. You see where that peanut butter is really turning? I mean, you can see that I'm not done spinning it. I just want to stop and let it rest for a minute, let it cool down, why I showed you what it's like, and we'll come back and take another look at it in a few minutes. That's what I call some peanut butter. Take a look at this. Take a look at that. That's some pistachio butter. Pistachio butter, and it tastes good. I'm going to turn these into cookies on my next video, so stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And these are delicious. I love pistachios.